Tonight on The Future of Everything, we've got 3i Atlas updates and maybe even our best shot yet to clearly see the third interstellar object ever detected passing through our solar system. But
a mysterious object from deep space, 3i/ATLAS, just collided with our sun's raw fury. The result? Cracks, eruptions, and chaos now unfolding across the solar system. This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now. What happens when a 30 billion ton alien comet meets a solar storm? Let's find out. The stranger arrives. In July 2025, astronomers at the Atlas Survey System in Chile noticed a faint, streaking smudge on their wide-field cameras. Nothing unusual at first. Telescopes detect hundreds of such blurs every year. But when orbital data came in just days later, something didn't add up. This object wasn't looping back like a local comet. It wasn't curved at all. Instead, its trajectory was open, a hyperbolic path, flying through the solar system like a rock skipping across a pond. That one detail sent shockwaves through the astronomy world. It meant this thing wasn't from here. The object was soon named 3i/ATLAS, placing it in rare company. The 3i stands for Third Interstellar. Following the trail of the famous Oumuamua in 2017 and 2i/Borisov in 2019. But 3i/Atlas was bigger, far bigger. Early size estimates suggested a nucleus nearly 5 kilometers wide, with a total mass potentially over 30 billion tons. That makes it larger than either of its predecessors, and therefore a more complete sample of an alien system. A cosmic ambassador, drifting alone for millions of years before slipping into our solar system, possibly by accident. Hubble data soon revealed a cometary coma surrounding it, made up of gases venting from inside. And what intrigued scientists most wasn't just the size or path, it was the chemistry. "Every piece of this object is like a memory," said one ESA researcher. "It's a message in ice from a star system we'll probably never see." This wasn't just another dirty snowball. It was a time capsule from another sun. As word spread, telescopes around the world turned toward the stranger. It was a chance too rare to waste. A real alien object, carrying chemistry shaped under completely different stellar rules. But what no one knew yet was that 3i/ATLAS wasn't drifting quietly for long. The sun had other plans. And as it entered the inner solar system, a storm was brewing. It came from the cold, and the sun gave it fire. That's how it began. V-SING Galileo Project. The alien chemistry. The closer 3i/ATLAS came to the sun, the more it revealed, and none of it fit the rules we knew. Normally, comets in our solar system give off mostly water vapor when they warm up. But 3i/ATLAS wasn't following that pattern. Instead, spectrometers detected a coma rich in carbon dioxide, far more than water. In some measurements, CO2 outgassed at levels 10 times higher than typical solar comets. That single detail changed everything. It hinted that this visitor had formed in a much colder environment or under entirely different chemical conditions. And it wasn't just CO2. Scientists detected carbon monoxide, CO, traces of OCS, and other exotic gases not usually dominant in local comet tails. These molecules suggested a nursery far colder than our Oort cloud, maybe at the edge of a distant solar system, possibly hundreds of light years away. What we were seeing was not just another icy rock. It was a probe, one forged under a foreign sun. Even its light behaved oddly. Polarization studies show deep negative branches in scattered light, something rarely seen in solar comets. This sparked more debate. What if this object didn't just reflect light, but generated some of its own? Dr. Avi Loeb suggested that 3i